What's going on, everybody? My name's Elijah, and you're watching Elijah Builds. Now, a few years ago, for either a Christmas, anniversary, or birthday present, I made my wife a chessboard, because 20-year-old me thought that was a romantic gift. Now, we haven't played on it in a few years, but I recently came across a thing, and I was just shocked by the size of it. The average chessboard is 16 to 18 inches wide, and for some reason, this bad boy is pushing almost twice that. It just looks absurd. Now, I'd like to think that since making that thing, I've gotten a lot more mindful and skilled as a builder, even though it doesn't always feel like that. But I decided that I would give building a chessboard a second chance, so here I am. I've made the thing look a lot more pretty, and it's certainly more manageably sized, but ultimately it's just practice. That's what this channel is all about. Practicing skills, learning more, getting better, hopefully. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I'll see you next week.